pata, descalceo, Cardinal y Big J tocando bata.
Makes me want to cry, dude. I don't know why.
Debí tirar más fotos que cuando que tuve abrazos las veces que pude estar aquí, de verdad. Para mí es bien importante que estén aquí. Ustedes significa mucho para mí.
I am a mess.
Así que vamos a una foto, vengan pa'
I'm listening to Bad Bunny and I'm literally bawling my eyes out because there's nothing like the feeling when you finally feel seen as a person, as a human. You know, being Puerto Rican, I think people think we're just loud, and we are, and we just like to dance, and we do, and we love to eat good food, which we absolutely do. But when you think about history and all the things happening this weekend with Bad Bunny performing and this song being kind of like this national anthem for Latinos and just people who feel oppressed. My grandfather was from Puerto Rico. He lived to 102 years old and he passed away a few years ago, and I wish he could be here because this would be celebrating his legacy. So that's why it means so much to me, is that it would be celebrating the legacy of the man who raised me and who took care of me, who carried me on his shoulders to school every morning so that I can continue to have a good life and be the man I am today. So that's what it means to me. So today we're at the gym and we're going to ask people what they're most excited about for the Super Bowl and if they have a point of view on what it means for them for this Super Bowl. So let's get into it. Watching the Super Bowl?
Yes, I am.
What are you most excited for?
I'm most excited to just have a good game, see some older guys win a Super Bowl for the first time. Team Sam Darnold.
And does this Super Bowl have any significant meaning for you?
Yes, since I was about 4 or 5 years old, when I can remember, my dad and I always got together, ate good food, watched the Super Bowl as a big, happy family. All the guys just broing out.
All right, are you watching the Super Bowl?
Yes, we'll be watching the Super Bowl.
What are you most excited for?
Neither of the teams. Probably Bad Bunny and Green Day.
Ooh. And why does this Super Bowl mean something to you if it does?
This particular one?
The Super Bowl, football, this one?
Well, when the Packers were in the Super Bowl, like 10-ish years ago, my dad bought over 10 years ago, my dad bought a new TV for the basement just to watch the Super Bowl. And then the last time before that, the Packers were in the Super Bowl. When they won, he punched a hole through the ceiling in our basement.
Are you guys watching the Super Bowl?
Absolutely.
All right, what are you most excited for?
Halftime. Woo!
Oh, snap. How about you?
Watching halftime with her.
And then why does this mean something to you? Is there significance for you?
Absolutely. I mean, being Puerto Rican, there's always that pride and that energy that you want to put forward and you want to share with everyone in the world about like who you are and where you come from. So it's nice to see representation out there on that big stage, right?
The big game. The big game. How about you?
I'll be there to watch some football and to support everything that she's into and all that.
Are you guys watching the Super Bowl?
Yes.
Yes? What are you most excited about?
Rage?
For the Seahawks to beat the Patriots.
Why?
Because the Patriots suck.
And then, how about you, John?
I just love watching the Super Bowl, man. It's good football, and I come from the Northwest, so it would be good to see the Seahawks win this year. Yeah, it'd be cool.
What do you think it means to be a football fan?
Oh, that's a good question.
Cheering for the team with the prettiest colors.
I don't know, man. Like, I grew up watching football. It's just one of those things. Like, I loved watching it with my dad when I was young, and there's something very satisfying about the game. Like, nothing's more fun than watching somebody get leveled, too, in the middle of a Super Bowl.
Are you guys watching the Super Bowl?
Yes. I'm just a little sad the Bears aren't in the Super Bowl. Yeah. But, you know, okay. But I'll watch it, but I'm not really super invested in it, but I will watch the halftime show.
Yeah, Bad Bunny.
Yeah, Bad Bunny.
How about you?
Yeah, I'm going to watch it for Bad Bunny.
Okay. So is that what you're most excited about?
Yeah, because I'm jamming with the music, you know. I'm going to be probably vibing in the living room, you know.
Yeah. I'm excited.
Does that have any significance of him being a halftime performer?
It's huge.
Yeah.
And he's also like very politically aware and understands what it's like, what it means to be from Puerto Rico, which is a colony of the U.S. And he's been pretty loud about it, so it's exciting.
I do like kind of like he came from, just from what I know, like came from the best upbringing, you know, from nothing to something. So I find that pretty admirable, you know, like that you could just come from anywhere and make it happen, you know.
And are you watching the Super Bowl?
Of course.
All right. What's your what are you most excited about for it?
I am excited for redemption. I want the Seahawks to kick that ass. So that's why. That's what I'm excited about.
Awesome.
And then I guess there's a number of commercials that are going to use artificial intelligence as part of their commercials. So that'll be interesting as well.
Why is that interesting for you?
Because that's my profession.
Oh, what is it?
I'm in cybersecurity, so
Okay.
I spend quite a bit of time talking to customers about artificial intelligence and how to integrate those into their applications.
You're also half Puerto Rican,
Yes,
right? So
yes.
what does that have any significance for you with the halftime show and everything going around?
Yeah, you could say that. You know, I'm a Bad Bunny fan. You know, I know he's got some Puerto Rican traits there, right?
Yeah.
It'll be fun. Awesome. It'll be fun. And you know what? Who doesn't like a good football game?
Right.
Never mind that it's the Super Bowl, but it's got to be a good game.
What does being a football fan mean to you? What was
being a football fan means to me? What does it mean to me? I don't know. It's the culture. It's the Chicago way. Like, isn't everyone in Chicago a football fan? A Bears fan? You know, I'm a football fan. I'm a Bears fan. And you know what? If they're not in the Super Bowl, I kind of favor whichever team I kind of feel like I'm leaning towards. And in this case, it's not the Patriots. I followed them for a long time. It's going to be the Seahawks. So for me, Chicago, football kind of go hand in hand.
awesome?
It's like chips and salsa, baby.
Are you watching the Super Bowl?
Yeah.
What are you most excited for?
Come on, Bad Bunny.
Yeah,
Who's
why?
playing? I don't know. Because representation matters. It's simple as that. Representation matters.
Tell me
I mean, I know what hard work is. I know what it is to be, to have an accent, to speak Spanish and English, and sometimes make fun of, and sometimes you trade in your identity for it, and he never did. So I mean, I look up to that. So yeah, representation matters, and that's the most important thing this weekend. Who's playing? I don't care. I just want to see him shine, because that makes me feel that I can shine too.
All right, so as you guys saw, talked to a few people, was able to get a couple thoughts on the Super Bowl. I think one of the best things about this, being able to get out there and just ask questions, is that you're doing the field work, right? That's the most important part. And when it's something that feels really special to you, it makes it that much more sweeter. But one, as a strategist, I feel like this is the important work we should be doing, right? Yes, we meet with clients. Yes, we create decks. Yes, we have stories to tell. But I think it starts out here with getting the information straight from the source. And this was just a quick and raw way to just get out there and continue to build that muscle and practice. And then two, just as a fan, as somebody who is Puerto Rican, right? One thing I realize is that we are not prideful people. We are prideful people. Latinos, Puerto Ricans, people from immigrant families, all of us out there who are just working hard to create a life for ourselves and for the people we love, and to become something and be seen. And I think that's what this Super Bowl really represents when it comes to the halftime show. So it's not just that it's about the Latinos or the people that feel oppressed. It's about all of us as humans and our journey to become. So that's my quick little vlog of the day, little qualitative research. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was emotional, but I think one of the things I want to continue to be is a strategist that is not afraid to go there, not afraid to put myself out there, put myself in the shoes of other people, and experience these things in life. So that's it. Stay human.
Oh, oh.